go down and have a look at the Māori alphabet, and let's just go through this. A, E, I, O, U. In fact, I'm going to sing a waiata, and you can sing along at home. Don't worry, I can't see you singing. I can't hear you singing. But unfortunately, you have to listen to me singing. And I hope none of you are musically inclined, because you might end up getting sore ears from listening to my terrible singing. So, A, E, I, O, U. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Here's the next one. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Ngā, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Pā, pe, pi, po, pu. Rā, re, ri, ro, ru. Tā, te, ti, tō, tu. Wā, we, wi, wo, wu. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. And as I said, I'm going to sing a little waiata for you now. Ahaka mana para tawanga wha. E heke mene pere te wenge whe. I hiki mini piri ti wingi whi. Ho hoko mono poro tōwongo who. A, E, I, O, U. Uhuku munu puru tuungu fu. Okay, remember you're reading downwards now. Kwa riri koutou. Kwa rite. Ahaka mana para tawanga wha. E heke mene pere te wenge whe. I want to see your lips moving, even though I can't see you. You can see my lips. I hiki mini piri ti wingi whi. O hoko mono poro tōwongo who. A, E, I, O, U. Uhuku munu puru tuungu fu. Uhuku munu puru tuungu fu. Woo! Homo te paki paki.